Good afternoon, this is Rich Nelson with Allendale, covering the wrap-up commodity comments. Today is Wednesday, September 1st, 2010, the first day of the brand new month, and of course the idea is fun buying, new fresh money entering the markets. And with that in mind, looks like nobody was disappointed here. That December corn up 7 3/4. That was a new high for this entire uptrend here today. So certainly another big gain, another big win for that corn market. Beans actually down 4.5, and wheat finished up 23 cents here. As far as news, the main idea here is obviously fresh fund buying and also the trade trying to guess how low this corn yield is going to be. As we know, the USDA told us 165 here just on August 12th. In fact, we do have one firm came out today, midday, showing down to 160.7. Was their estimate. Once again, USDA was 165. We have a first firm out here saying 160.7. So certainly a dramatic revision lower, and that actually probably would break those ending stocks below that magical 1 billion bushel mark that everybody's all panicked about. In terms of other supportive things we can point out, also in September, at some point this month, the EPA may make a decision on that blend rate for ethanol. Will they raise it up to 15%, or maybe up to just 12%, or as some people are saying, well, they actually just say, you know what, we're going to wait and defer this decision again. Also keep in mind, Iowa Senator Tom Harkin, for many weeks, and we've heard many reports from different clients on this, is still touting the idea that he's pounding his fist saying 15% is almost guaranteed. So quite a few differing opinions on here, but the main point for right now is corn fundamentals, as far as the short-term issues, are still very supportive. As I said before, the magical question is, what is this corn yield and how low will it be compared to USDA? Allendale, of course, will have our own decision on that one based on the nationwide farmer survey. That'll be out Friday morning. I'll talk about more on that in just a little bit here. Corn's, as I said, down 4 1/4 cents for the, or soybeans down 4.5 cents here today. Main issue as far as the soybeans on the yield end, we did have this one other firm came out, said 43.6 bushels per acre, very close to USDA's 44. As we said in our comments before, you need a yield number of about 41 to even start suggesting this is a bull market for soybeans. We just have that much carry-in being pushed over into this soybean issue here. On the wheat side, you can point out up 23 cents, as I said before. Big numbers here today. Starting out today, the news was not that exciting. Russia, in fact, the agriculture minister, not some deputy or some underling, the agriculture minister herself indicated that Russia would not need to make any imports this year here. So quite a few opinions on this Russian issue here. Midday, though, we did see Egypt came out and confirmed that they did buy 225,000 tons of U.S. wheat. Certainly a very solid amount for Egypt, and the fact that we did not have France or Canada or Australia included with this is actually a pretty supportive thing here. Also with that export side, Germany bought about 20,000 tons of U.S. wheat, first time in about 3 years for Germany to buy U.S. wheat. So it wasn't a large amount, but the fact is that's pretty exciting just by itself, getting things started here. So bullish news as far as the grains here today. Over the hog side, down 20 cents, not too much to speak of here. We did see a good morning break as we came near support in the October contract, which is about 74. Most fundamentals still remain negative to hogs, meaning cash pork is moving lower, cash hogs is moving lower, and it looks like we are seeing some extra supply show up at the front door. So nothing has really changed as far as that hog issue here. Over on the cattle, up about 40 cents for that October contract. Not too much to speak of on the cattle. We are seeing mixed action. I see down 61 cents for choice, up 20 cents for select, so kind of a mixed action on this wholesale beef issue. And as we reported in the morning comments, cash cattle did trade 97.5 actually yesterday, or 97 yesterday, late yesterday afternoon. So a little disappointing on this issue, but looks like for right now the cattle market might be trying to move sideways for a short period of time. As far as overall issues here we have going on in Allendale, it's actually a very, very big week for us, and even next week will be as well. So things you can look forward to from Allendale. Friday morning at 7:30, we're going to release those that nationwide yield survey number. To our best of our knowledge, it's the largest farmer-based survey as far as yields go in the nation. So it's certainly pretty exciting. That's out at 7:30. Also Friday morning, we'll be releasing our estimates for the complete supply-demand picture for USDA's report, which is out on the 10th, next Friday on the 10th. So we have that going on. We're going to make a special YouTube also of our yield survey issues. That'll be out Friday as well. And then, of course, next week with the holiday in front of us, we only have a 4-day work week right in front of USDA's report. So a lot of things going on we could speak of, and I certainly encourage you guys to get hold of Allendale, get subscribed to our research, or get hooked up with us through our brokerage network, and we'd be happy to help you out as best we can, whether that's for speculative trading, whether it's for marketing crops, or any other decisions about the markets you want to speak with one of the brokers here. 1-800-262-7538. This is Rich Nelson. Have a good trading day and a good trading week.